Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to simplify the expression 25 divided by 5 plus 4 times 6. So come over here and grab a pencil or marker, it's up to you. Okay, so here we have the operations of division, addition, and multiplication. So remember, before we add, we're always going to multiply or divide first. Okay, in this case we have a division sign, we also have a multiplication sign. So those two are linked together. So you always do the one that appears first, working left to right. So we're going to divide first. So 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. So it's going to be 5. And let's write down the rest. So plus 4 times 6. All right. So now we need to choose, do we add or do we multiply? And following the order of operations, we always multiply. So 4 times 6 is 24. And then finally, when we add 24 and 5, we get a final answer of 29. And that's it.